Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different quadrilaterals worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets where we can look at different quadrilaterals and we can name them according to their characteristics. Now, if you're not sure what to do here, we've had a lesson on this very topic, and on the last slide you'll be given a direction. You'll be invited to click on a link, and that will take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's see what we're asked to do here. Name each of the following quadrilaterals. So for number one, we have this quadrilateral here. And all we do, we look very closely at these characteristics. For example, those symbols there. We look at those two symbols there. We look at the two diagonals, and we look at here. And the lesson tells us the name of this particular quadrilateral according to those symbols. Number two, all we have here are those two symbols there. And that's really all we need to name this particular figure. For the next one, we have some symbols here, and also some symbols on the corner. Now it's quite straightforward, and I think we'll be able to name this shape quite easily. For number four, it's very similar, except here these symbols only have one stroke each, and these symbols have two strokes each. So that will enable us to name that particular shape. For number five, it's a little bit involved, but if we look at it carefully, look at all the symbols very carefully and see what information we've been given, we will be able to name this particular shape. And for number six, it's very similar. See, the symbols tell us very, very important information, specific information relating to that quadrilateral. And that enables us to name the quadrilateral. Finally, we have six very simple tasks here. We have to sketch a square. We're being asked to sketch a trapezium, sketch a parallelogram, sketch a rectangle, sketch a rhombus, and sketch a kite. So this video has introduced a few worksheets where we can look at naming particular quadrilaterals according to their characteristics, and we've also been asked to sketch some of these particular quadrilaterals. Now, if you're not sure what to do or you get confused, there is a link on the next slide. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all of these examples very clearly.